actually drag her very intensely, and they even like put the Israeli flag on her face, and they even put Greta on a trolley. Like they treated her like animal.
She was treated terribly. They draped her in an Israeli flag and they just pushed and pulled her wherever they wanted and for whatever propaganda they wanted. I was like 3 people in front of her in line, and she came close to this private room and they just shoved her really aggressively and put her in the room, and then Ben Gvir arrives and goes into the room with her. You know, it was awful, but they were trying to use her as propaganda for their optics, but she was just treated like a piece of trash, you know?